Ever feel like your brilliant ideas, your crucial tasks, your entire life are just floating around in the digital ether? Lost in a sea of scattered notes, endless email threads, and that one sticky note you swore you put somewhere important? Yeah, me too. Or at least that used to be me. Before I discovered the magic of Trello. Think of it like this. Imagine a giant whiteboard, infinitely expandable, where you can organize anything and everything with colorful sticky notes. Except, these sticky notes are superpowered. They can hold due dates, assignees, checklists, attachments, and even have conversations attached to them. That, in a nutshell, is Trello. It's a visual, intuitive, and incredibly versatile project management tool that's helped millions of people around the globe get their act together. Whether they're planning a wedding, launching a business, managing a team, or just trying to figure out what to make for dinner. Now, maybe you've heard the buzz about Trello. Maybe a colleague mentioned it, or you stumbled across a productivity blog singing its praises. And now you're thinking, okay, this sounds promising, but how do I actually get started? Well, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the absolute beginner basics. How to create your very own Trello account. It's easier than you might think, and trust me, it's the first step towards a more organized and less chaotic you. So, are you ready to ditch the digital clutter and step into a world of streamlined productivity? Let's do this. The first thing you'll need to do, unsurprisingly, is to head over to the Trello website. You can do this by simply typing Trello into your favorite search engine, Google, DuckDuckGo, whatever floats your boat, and clicking on the first result that pops up. Alternatively, you can type in the direct web address, which is Trello.com. Easy peasy. Once you land on the Trello homepage, you'll be greeted with a clean and inviting interface. You'll likely see a prominent button encouraging you to sign up. Keep an eye out for phrases like, sign up, get started, it's free, or something similar. Click on that button. This will take you to the Trello sign-up page. Now, you have a few options for creating your account, which is super convenient. You can choose to sign up with your email address, or you can use your existing Google or Microsoft account. Let's explore each of these options. Option 1. Signing up with your email address. If you prefer to use a specific email address for your Trello account, this is the way to go. You'll typically see fields asking for your email address, your full name, and a password. Email address. Enter the email address you want to associate with your Trello account. Make sure it's an active email address that you check regularly, as Trello will likely send you a verification email. Full name. Type in your first and last name. This will be the name that appears on your Trello boards and cards, so make sure it's something you're comfortable with. Password. This is a crucial step. Choose a strong and unique password that you don't use for any other important accounts. A good password should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Trello might give you some guidelines on password strength as you type. Once you've filled in these fields, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos. Then, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Option 2. Signing up with your Google account. If you already have a Google account like a Gmail address, you can streamline the sign-up process by using it to create your Trello account. Simply click on the button that says something like Continue with Google or displays the Google logo. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Once you choose an account, Google will ask for your permission to share some basic information with Trello. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow if you're comfortable proceeding. This is a quick and easy way to get started, as you don't need to create and remember a new password specifically for Trello. Option 3. Signing up with your Microsoft account. Similar to the Google option, if you have a Microsoft account like an Outlook or Hotmail address, you can use it to sign up for Trello. Look for a button that says Continue with Microsoft or displays the Microsoft logo and click on it. You'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account and grant Trello permission to access certain information. Review the permissions and click Yes or Allow if you're happy to proceed. This offers another convenient way to create your Trello account without needing a separate email and password. Once you've chosen your sign-up method and completed the necessary steps, Trello will likely send a verification email to the email address you provided if you signed up with email. Head over to your inbox and look for an email from Trello. It might be in your main inbox or your spam/junk folder, so be sure to check both. Open the verification email and click on the link or button inside to confirm your email address. This step is important to activate your account fully. After verifying your email, if applicable, you'll be redirected to your brand new Trello account. Congratulations! You've officially taken the first step into the world of organized bliss. Now, Trello might walk you through a brief onboarding process. This could involve asking you for your team name if you plan to use Trello for collaboration, suggesting you create your first board, or offering a quick tour of the interface. Don't feel overwhelmed by this. Take your time to read the prompts and explore the different elements on the screen. Trello's interface is generally quite intuitive, and you'll start to get a feel for it pretty quickly. Your first board is like your first digital whiteboard. It's where you'll start organizing your tasks and ideas. Trello might suggest a name for your first board, or it might prompt you to create one yourself. You can name it anything you like: personal tasks, project X, grocery list, whatever comes to mind. You can always change the name later. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.